Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily share screen in Zoom. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to new meeting, or when you are already in a meeting, it doesn't matter. Now right here in meeting you want to click share, and then just click share screen. Yes. And now I'm sharing my screen. Everyone can actually see what I'm doing on the mobile phone. So I can go, I don't know, to here, and everyone can see this. I can also yeah, god damn, interesting. So I got like spotlight here, and I can play around it. Highlighter. So yeah, and I just painted a lot of things, and just click here stop share, and I actually stopped sharing my screen in Zoom application. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.